Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I did want to talk a little bit about GameStop and how I am still extremely bullish. I'm actually currently holding not a lot. I have here I'll show you guys. Right, I actually opened up a Webull account and I figured I might do this first, just to be completely transparent. Right, I have 6 calls expiring today. You guys can see here the GME 200s expiring today, and then another one for GME 270 expiring today on the top here, and then I have 4 calls expiring next week, and these are for March 4th. And I actually also have 4 other calls on a different account expiring next week or today. I think today actually. Yeah, sorry, today. I think it just started. I think the push to the upside just started. I think that GameStop is going to receive a lot of volume. I think probably today towards Monday. I know there's like rumors about the whole OPEX thing and the whole I don't know what it's called. I don't really do too much research on GameStop and all that crap. I just look at TA, right? TA still looks good. And I'd do like a really heavy video, but it looks like every single time, GameStop closes a perfect 4-hour trigger, that's when the rally actually starts. So if anything, I actually think calls for maybe 2 weeks out from here will actually do really well. Remember that we actually bought calls, those first calls from here, right? Back on from $100. We pushed that we pushed that all the way to 130. We rode that, right? But I think the next leg up, because there's always 2 levels on GameStop. I think the next leg up actually started yesterday, and I think it'll run through next week, possibly the week after. So I think if anybody wants to play this, ideally how I would do it is I would buy calls for March 11th. Right now, my price target is actually a little bit higher than before. Before I actually had a price target of 160. Now my price target is actually 180. And that can possibly go a little bit higher from a lot of other stuff that I've been reading about and where I think we're actually going to run to. But historically, I don't know. I think that we're actually going to start pushing really hard. And I think a lot of volume, there's a really good chance that we have a lot of volume come in. Here, I'll show you guys. There's a lot of chance. There's a big chance that we just have a lot of volume in general coming in up until 146, and then volume kind of dies down from there. But yeah, I think there's a really good chance that we keep running to the upside. Look at that. Even on the weekly, you actually have a stronger week that's probably going to close this week. And you have all this room to run on the stochastic, right? You already ran $30 up at 24. Next resistance on Stoke is 54. So you can run up another $30 pretty easily, right? And that would put us at a price tag of around $154, which I do think is kind of low on the sentiment. It would only put us around this support, on this resistance, right? I actually think we're going to 188. That's my price target for now. I actually think we're going back, maybe wicking up to 188. I don't know if we'll go past that. I have to come back and look at the TA. But as of right now, I'm kind of extremely bullish. I'm actually really, really bullish on GameStop. There's a lot of weird stuff going on. Like I said, I don't want to go into it too much because I don't want to make the video too long, but I'm extremely bullish. And I think that, you might see 180 within the next 2 weeks or so, right? I'm still bullish. Even with all this going on, I still think there's a very high chance that GameStop can hit 180 within the next 2 weeks. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.